Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to kick inactive members on your Discord server. So first, what you'd want to do is go to your server settings right here on the top left corner there. Click on that and go to server settings. Once you're there, just scroll down till you see the user management section and click on members. Once you've clicked on members, you will see all your recent members. So as you can see, this is a new server. And if I just want to kick someone from here, I just need to click on these three dots. As you can see, there's a kick option here, and you could put a brief description here for the reason why you are kicking that particular member, and just click on this kick button. But if you have a server that has thousands or hundreds of members and you want to kick all inactive members, you'd want to click on this prune button right here. Click on that, and as you can see, pruning will kick members who have not been on Discord in 7 days and are not assigned to any roles. They can rejoin the server using a new invite. So you could kick a member that has been last seen more than 7 days ago, or you could kick a member more than 30 days ago that is not active or is inactive. So it's up to you what you'd want to pick. You could also include members with the different roles. So you could put on verified members or admin or something like that. Depends with the roles you just want. And after that, after you have settled with all these options, just click on the prune button, and that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.